Good morning, students. I myself Divakar Pandey from Kuntinagar Modern English School, Nevada, and welcome to you in your e-learning class. Today, I am going to provide you my first video lecture of lesson 14 in SST, and this video is being provided for class 4. The topic is transport. Yes, in this chapter, we have to study about 6 points. It means about 6 elements, and the first element is transport, need for transport, types of transportation, land transport, waterways, and airways. So first of all, we come to know what is the definition of transport. Yes, transport is a system for carrying people or goods from one place to another place by using roadways, railways, airways, and waterways. So like this, we can say transport is a system. Now we come to know about need for transportation. Why people need for transportation? Yes, as we know, transportation plays an important role in trade and commerce. Industries that are located in different parts of the world, they need raw materials to produce finished goods. An efficient transport system is always needed for both to transport raw materials to the industries and to sell the finished goods produced by the industries to different markets. Like this, we can say this is the very important need for transportation. As we have already learned that early man traveled on foot. After the wheel was invented, a person was able to make hand carts like as block cart, etc. After some time, people started using animals to pull the carts, and the wheel was a wonderful invention which made transportation easy and convenient. Now we come to know about the 16th century. When we study about the 16th century, we find a man realized that a steam could be used as a fuel. So he used a steam to propel trains and ships. Like this, he burned large amount of coal to produce a steam. A steam not only helped in traveling longer distance, but also it helped vehicles to move faster. Like this, we can say this person was George Stephenson. George Stephenson built the first public railways in Britain in 1825. So now we come to know about types of transport. Do you know how many types of transportation? Yes. There are three important types of transportation. First is called land transport, second is called water transport, and third is called air transport. Now we come to know about land transport. What is a land transport? A land transport is that transport which is used through land. Land transport is divided into two ways, roadways and railways. What are roadways? Yes, roads that are made for coal tar, made of coal tar, gravel, and cement. These melted roads help us to travel in all weather conditions and in all seasons. In our country, when we discuss, we find there are three major types of roads. First, national highways, second, state highways, and third is known as district routes. What are national highways? National highways are those highways that connect important cities in a country. For example, the Grand Trunk Road is, yes, the Grand Trunk Road is the oldest road in India. It is also known as the name of NH2. What is the second name of National Highway? NH2. And this national highway is called the Grand Trunk Road. Do you know who built this road? Yes, this road was built by Sher Shah Suri and connects Amritsar to Kolkata. So which road is connected between, which connect with Amritsar to Kolkata? The Grand Trunk Road that was made by, built by Sher Shah Suri. Other highways are Delhi Mumbai, Kolkata Chennai, and Mumbai Chennai highways. So like this, to create more highways, the Golden Quadrilateral project was started, which connects the four metropolitan cities Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and Chennai. Thank you. In my next video, I will discuss about state highways and district roads. Bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.